High protein, creamy mac and cheese burritos, the best combo you'll ever try, and they're so easy to make. First, season your chicken breast with paprika, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Then for the cheese sauce, you need light cream cheese, low-fat cheddar, low-fat milk, garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, salt, and pepper. Blend till completely smooth like this. Next, get a pan on medium heat, cook the chicken for 5 minutes on each side, then shred it up into pieces. Then add your cooked macaroni with the cheese sauce and the shredded chicken, give it a good mix. Add the mix to a low-calorie wrap, fold into a burrito like I show here, toast it up, and voila! You're ready to serve and enjoy.